Good morning guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin and we are in Kandolim today, and I just wanted to show you this area because I've never covered this area and I myself discovered this area a few days ago. Just look at the buildings here, the structures here, everything looks so clean, so neat, and these are just some beautiful lanes that you can really come to Kandolim and explore. And if you're staying in these parts of Kandolim, the beach is just a 5 to 10 minutes ride from here. So there are many guest houses here. Regal Hideaway, let me show you. So like I said, the lanes are very narrow here and there's a lot. So this is Blossom Homestay. Like I say in our videos guys, I always speak highly about homestays because homestays are very cheap, and at the same time you will get very good service because it's most of the locals who are managing the homestays. Now we've hit a dead end because like I said, I have explored these areas a few days ago and even I get a bit confused with these lanes. But just look at how nice and clean and neat these places look. And once we go ahead there, that side, we'll be getting some fields and you will be totally surprised to see that you are in Kandolim. You will feel like you are somewhere else in some rural parts of Goa. Where do I go, right or left? Yeah, I have to take this right here. Yes, now I know the way. And just look at this. Very scenic, peaceful, and if I just stop my bike here for a while, it's nice, breezy, cool. It did rain a little bit last night, but then it's not the kind of rainfall that you would expect during this time of the year. And just look at this sensational view guys. On the left here there's a hill and there's a church there in the distance. Wow. And the fields are plowed, and even these guys, the farmers, they are waiting for the rain. They have plowed the field, and after that, once it gets all mucky, that's when they plant, that's when these fields will turn into paddy fields. Okay, let's take a left here. The left will take us to the church, but you know what? I've never gone in this lane. So let me just explore this part as well while I shoot this video. If you guys are enjoying these tours, please note that we will definitely be visiting many more places like these. But I would really need your help. Okay, now we've hit a dead end here. Let's take a turn. Dogs barking. No, I'm not coming to your place. I'm going back. Yeah. But anyway, I just wanted to see where this road leads us to, because I have always passed by that road there several times, but I have never come this way. Anyway, so there are some new constructions here, some new buildings here on the right. I think those are residential properties. And the benefit is that they have a view of the fields here. But I really love Kandolim guys. I always speak highly about Kandolim because I feel that Kandolim, even though Kandolim gets developed, but it gets developed in such a clean and such a neat manner. This is the one on the right, Vista Arozai. Very nice buildings. And look at these villas. These kind of reminded me of the villas in the Middle East. Very different sort of architecture. Check this building out. Turquoise color, blue, and Bambina, again, if you're watching, you wanted to see some residential areas of Kandolim, here we go. I have that for you, and I really hope these are the old constructions. So you wanted to see a mix of old and new. This looks like people haven't stayed here for years, but how about this for a view? Always a fantastic view when I'm riding towards the church. I really wish I could go on the hill behind there And I'll tell you what, I've never taken a right. Left goes towards Kandolim beach. Let's see where the right can take us. Even nowadays there are many tourists in Goa, and I please request all the tourists visiting Goa, please ensure you do not drink and ride or drive. Wear your helmet, carry your license everywhere. You don't have to be in a hurry. Guys, if you're visiting Goa, why are you in a hurry? You guys are, many tourists visit Goa from the cities, and in the cities they're always in a hurry. So please be relaxed here. The locals love a peaceful life. Locals do not like noise, and you know what's right and wrong. So please follow all that when you are here in Goa. Wow, some very nice villas here. Where am I going? Cordas Paint Food. Are we still in Kandolim? I guess we are still in Kandolim, but we are moving a bit away from the touristy areas. Bougainvillea. Outside the villas looks so nice. We have planted that as well outside our place. The local table. Okay, that restaurant is here. I was told by some of our viewers from the UK whom I met in Goa that this is a good restaurant. I think it was Robbie and Andre, you guys, if I remember. So if you guys are watching, thumbs up. A few days back I did visit Terracol Fort as well, and you guys had suggested that place as well. So very nice. Thanks for the lovely recommendation, and thank you to all our viewers for recommending us some fantastic places. Recently Regina recommended us some places, some villages, and I've fallen in love with those places, guys. I'm definitely going to go that side again. And where am I going right now? I do not know, but let's keep riding. Let's keep riding till the roads are beautiful. I think in that case we'll just keep riding the entire day. Wow, another chapel with the hill in the background. This place is Saint Sebastian Chapel. Nice. Superb. Let's take this left and see where it goes. Many of you guys who go on long rides, recently I got a comment from someone who used to ride the bike for like 100, 150 or even 200 kilometers. Man, that is crazy. I rode that day 130 kilometers in 2 days, and I was like flat. Yeah, no doubt I was out in the sun and trying to capture forts as well, but if you're riding that much in this weather, today is fine though, but in the summers it can really take a toll on you. But then when the view, when the scenery, and when the places are so nice and so relaxing, at times you don't even realize like how far you've gone. Sapin Hills, okay, some new construction here on the right and left as well. Guys, I've been receiving comments on our videos about properties, like where you can buy property. Please, I have no idea about that, and even if I do, I don't think I am qualified to comment on that. But I have one message for you. In case by any chance if you do end up moving here, please respect the local laws, the local traditions, and remember one thing which is very, very important. You left the place from where you came and moved to Goa. Do not change Goa and expect it to become like the place that you originally moved from. I hope it makes sense. You know, people say the shops are closed here in the afternoon, everything is slow. That is what it is. That is what Goa has always been for years and years, and that's why this place is known, you know, for its Susegat lifestyle. Why do you have to be in a rush for each and everything? You don't have to. It's like, you know, the human mind is trained in such a way that, you know, we feel that when we are in a rush and we keep chasing something, we are productive. But that is not the case, guys. If you look at the old folks, they used to always take some time out, chill at places, reflect on their thoughts, and, you know, reflect on the decision and whatever. You need a break, guys. And if you really think the hustle culture was that good, I have one question: why are so many people committing suicide these days? So think about it, and if you're here again, please do not try to change this place. Woo! Sometimes I do make a lot of sense, right? Even I am amazed to know the kind of knowledge that that I give out through these lectures. But then, yes, it's all about experience, guys. Once you've seen different phases in life, you will automatically become more wiser. That's why when you get older, they say you don't get older, you get more wiser. Thank you for visiting Kandolim. Thanks for that board. And now I know I am outside Kandolim. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this beautiful tour. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.